Hello friends, I hope you are doing great. Once again you are most welcome in my YouTube channel voidlooprobotech and automation. Today we are going to learn how to change MAC address of ESP8266 board. Let us start. Please make sure have you subscribed my channel or not, and don't forget to press bell icon. MAC address stands for Media Access Control Address. It is a hardware unique identifier that identifies each device on a network. So I will start Arduino programming. First of all, I include ESP8266 Wi-Fi library. I will initialize here serial monitor. I will print here MAC address. Here I will pass Wi-Fi dot MAC address function. Okay. Now I will upload the code. .h. Okay, I will again upload the code. Okay. Compiling done successfully. I will open serial monitor. I will restart the board. You can see here MAC address is printed. Okay, my MAC address is 68 C6 3A E1 59 and F6. MAC address are assigned by manufacturer. We can also give a custom MAC address to our board. So I will create a code to change the MAC address. I will create a variable new MAC. I will pass here new MAC address. Okay, I will assign this MAC address. Old MAC address. Here I will change Wi-Fi mode as a station mode. Wi-Fi dot mode. Okay, and I will assign here new MAC address. Wi-Fi underscore set underscore make a DDR. Okay, I will copy this and print here. New MAC address. Now I will compile and upload. Sorry, here is dot mode. Okay, I will change the data type variable. Okay, now I will compile and upload. Okay, compiling done successfully. I will open serial monitor. I will reset board. You can see old MAC address and here is new MAC address. I will again restart. You can see old MAC address, new MAC address. However, every time the board resets, it will return to its original MAC address. So you need to include this code to set a custom MAC address in every sketch. I hope you understood and you enjoyed this video. So please do like, comment and share. Thanks for watching.